Alright guys, I'm probably about, I'm gonna say 10 miles south of Las Vegas. So right now I'm actually at a shooting area where a lot of people come during the weekends, come out here and shoot some guns. However, this is kind of a dangerous place, but I'm actually here today with Jessica. We are taking a gun course for safety, especially for Jessica, because we are planning on getting our CCW. So we have our instructor Jen and her husband Tony, and they're going to educate us on firearms. So I just wanted to show you guys what's going on today. So here's kind of like the main road. We're probably about 2 miles before we hit the 15. So as you can see, all these people here are just target practicing.
You need to do. You need to pull it from there. Okay. Everything's adaptive. You just got to figure out what works for you. Okay. Go ahead. Just drop that with your phone.
Fire safety is like the biggest key when it comes to gun safety.
Yep.
There's so much shotgun shells like all over the place, and look at this.
Well, focus on the grip. Tony said. Do you have a sight on there? Or is this your safety?
It's safety.
Okay, so you want to choke up on this spine as high as you possibly can. You want to really put your hand in there like this. And with this hand right here, you're going to be pushing, okay? And you're going to always, again, keep your finger off the trigger until you're ready to shoot.
Your arm, your bicep, it's going to get tight.
Pushing with this hand.
You're pushing, you're pushing here and you're pulling here.
Okay.
You see this stuff where people do this on TV and stuff. This is not. It's not real. Okay,
It's not real.
It's not real. It's just for the movies. You see somebody like this. There's nothing here to protect. Really, to protect.
Not a cop on the planet
That does that.
So what is your thoughts so far, Ben?
What are my thoughts?
Yeah, are you nervous?
Yes.
You got this.
Well, now that you made her say it out loud,
Yeah.
the women always underestimate themselves, and they're always way better than the
Oh,
men.
really?
Just so you know,
Oh,
the
don't say
girls
that.
always outshoot the boys.
Every time.
The wife of I could shoot.
Yeah.
She could shoot.
Oh, wow. All right, redo. So what do we got to do to qualify?
So this giant target, which look how big he is. It's bigger than him.
Okay.
Okay, so you're gonna shoot this target 30 rounds. And out of a possible 300 points, if you landed all 30 rounds in the bullseye, be 300 points. You only have to get 70% of 300 scoring on this target.
Oh, that's not that bad.
Yeah.
And what was the distance?
3 different distances.
What are they?
There's 7 yards, 15, and 21.
Easy.
Let me
21 with a handgun?
let me double check that.
Easy.
No, 21 feet.
Oh, 21 feet. Okay, I was like, whoa, that's pretty far.
Hold on, let me double check.
Okay.
You put me on the spot.
Okay.
It's gonna pop you back. Okay, so you're here now, and you're gonna lean forward. Yeah. And when you come out with it, remember it's a push, pull, and you're gonna lean into it. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna load the firearm. So go ahead, put the clip into the firearm. The bullet is always spaced out. Yes. The tip of the bullet always faces out. Now, did you hear a click?
Yeah.
Okay, do you see it right there? The ammo right there, the bullet. Now, when you pull your slide back to make your firearm ready, it's gonna load that bullet. It's gonna be a live round. Meaning if you pull the trigger, it's go time, okay? So I want you to stay there. I want you to get, is that Are you comfortable?
You're leaning
You're
back.
leaning back,
forward.
yeah. Yep.
Yep.
Right now, you're gonna stand straight up. You're gonna get those legs ready. And when you pull that slide and you go, you're gonna lean into it, okay? So when you're ready, make your firearm ready. Release that slide with your left hand, yes.
I'm just pulling it back.
You're gonna pull it back and guide it forward. Okay, it's live. Keep your finger off the trigger. Remember your grip. Not here, here, there. Now tuck that thumb in like you had it before. Finger down the slide, nice. Slide, always on the slide. Okay, thumbs in. Now are you comfortable?
You're leaning back again.
Bend the knee.
And you're gonna push with this arm and pull with this arm.
And bend the front knee a little bit, just a little bit. Yeah, just now lean into it. There you go. Okay, now that is live. That's live. When you're ready, you can put the finger on the trigger and fire.
After you line up your sight.
And when I open, when I like both eyes open.
That's my head. You're gonna close the left eye and you're gonna focus with the right eye. This is gonna go blurry because you're focusing on the front sight. You want the front sight aimed at the chest. This will go blurry.
The target is blurry.
And I want you to lean into it. Lean into it, yes. Okay, now you can put the finger on the trigger and fire when ready.
Slowly pull it and don't expect anything to happen.
But I'm pulling all the way.
Yes. Squeeze it. There it is. Nice. Nice shot. Hold on. Downrange. Now let's
Take your
get
finger
off the trigger. Let's get 2 more shots. 1, breathe. 2, breathe. You're gonna hold your breath, but you gotta keep breathing as you're shooting. Keep breathing, breathing. Now let's get 2 more shots just like that. 2 more shots. Get that hand, push, pull, finger on the slide, finger on the slide. Now when you're ready, lean into it, and you can go ahead and fire the gun. Beautiful. Give me 1 more. Give me 1 more. Stay engaged. Give me 1 more. Nice. Hold on. Okay. How'd that feel?
So Jessica got a couple shots off. She did very good.
Slide back.
She's a little bit nervous right now with the handgun, which is, I totally understand. So today's purpose is really to get her very comfortable with her handgun.
You can do at home.
When you're sitting on the couch. Yeah, always.
And what she's shooting today is a 38.
If you're gonna sit on the couch and you got the coffee table and the TV, you take the mag out and you put the mag in front of you on the coffee table so you can see it. And then you're sitting there and you're racking your tool. You're racking it and practicing with it, using that thumb so you can get used to it so it becomes second nature.
So to get your concealed weapons to carry, you got to take a 4-hour written test. Well, it's not a written test, but a 4-hour class. Then you have a written test. Then you have a 4-hour shooting test. And you have to score about 70 and above. So from what I remember, that Jen was telling me, that you'd have to shoot at
There's 8 rounds in there. You're gonna go
3 yards, 7 yards, 3, 5, or 7, whatever it is.
You cannot.
She didn't mention that, but I can't remember. But that's pretty much it to qualify. So once that is done, you have to fill out a form with the police department, send it in, your fingerprints and all that stuff. And that could take up to like 3-4 weeks. So
Nice. That's perfect. Now take your left hand and you may release your magazine. Eject your magazine. Your left hand. Take your finger off the trigger. It's clear. There it is. Holster it against your core. Magazine.
alright guys, I'm back out here in the southwest of the Las Vegas Valley, just right off of Buffalo right here, in between Blue Diamond and also 215. I'm here at one of these communities that I did a full video home tour. I'll have a link in the description. This community is actually by Pulte, and I'm meeting a client out here, try to finalize a deal. So I have a 3 o'clock appointment, and we're gonna go meet up with the listing agent. My clients are not here right now, but they got some pretty nice model homes here, and the pricing, as far as negotiating the price, some pretty good deals. Ping.
Hey,
How you doing today?
I am good. How are you?
Good.
This one they did extend the kitchen counter for 1,930.
Okay.
So right now I'm just chilling, relaxing, and letting my clients take a look at their home that they're going to purchase again, or actually take a look at this model, because they really just want to see the model in detail again. Final look before we make a decision. The question is, are we going to make a sale today? We'll have to see. So this island right here, you can definitely extend this island. 42 upper cabinets, nice quartz countertop. One of the things that you can do right here is actually do the extension for the pantry underneath the staircase here. Fireplace right here is also an upgrade too as well. Flooring is an upgrade. I mean, there's a lot that was done to this house. Very nice home. But I'm just gonna chill and relax. Sometimes you gotta let the clients do what they gotta do. You know what I mean? In sales, it's really not about selling a home. People are gonna be messing with you because they like you and they trust you and they trust the process. Also, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well.